Hi guys, a very good afternoon, good morning. Hi, how you doing? I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor, interior solutions. So I'm the founder and the CEO of I'm Decor Design, and I run this company. A lot of people call it a startup. Some people think of me as an interior designer, and many of them think I'm kind of into trading and business and stuff like that. So the positioning is not very clear. That's not very important. What's important is that I'm the brainchild behind this huge project and initiative that I have for myself, which is my own brand and my company. And this is into interior solutions, and we have accessories and stuff where we do conceptualization, designing, and manufacturing of home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. I bring with me an experience of more than 24 years in branding, corporate marketing, PR, design, packaging. Um, we were also into strategy, and of course, I've been in the last few years of my career mostly focused in brand building and brand identity and stuff, and retail and mall management. So I've worked with great personalities and people like Mr. Ratan Tata. I've worked with Marks and Spencer. I've worked with Satya Paul. I've worked with the Home Center. I've worked with Hometown. I've worked with Minda Huff. I've worked with Pizza Hut. I've worked with, I think, conceptualizing and putting together a food court as well in West Delhi. And over the years, I think I've also worked with a lot of interesting trade industries and stuff which have been into exports. And being in PR puts you in touch with lots of brands like Reebok, like MTNL, so many of them, So I've lost count of all of those. But anyways, that's the story behind the journey of 24 years, and the journey still goes on. So presently, I'm the founder and CEO, like I said, and I do home and office decor and interior solutions. We're trying to add joy, happiness, and beauty to spaces of lives of people. These are B2B, these are B2C. So in B2B, we have collaborative initiatives which we're looking at, and we've been supplying to certain people, which is products, the smaller ones, which are coasters. There's stuff like cutlery, there are lamps, there are trays. Then we have picture frames and lots of stuff, like chess boxes and stuff. And the bigger stuff now, which is, as they say, part two, is bigger stuff, which is furniture. So there have been a few projects which we've done. So where we've done furniture for the drawing room, for children's room, for the living space of houses in DLF, Gurgaon. We did something for a Russian personal. We made some sofas for her and stuff. And of course, for some clients, there was a restaurant which we did, which was in Portugal. We did Moroccan lamps for them. And then there's another client of mine from my advertising and branding days who's in Dubai. We did this interesting chess boxes and stuff. So the list is endless because design and creativity has no end. It can always improvise and improve. And like the fashion industry, or like books, or like music, some stuff is in and some stuff is out and stuff. So we have to constantly keep working on changing and improvising on the concepts and stuff. So we ideate, come up with concepts, we look at the quality, we look at the finish. So take a look at this. This is like it looks like an ashtray, but actually it's a candle holder. So you get a lot of these in India, but this is actually an international one. So the finish is different. So we do stuff like this. This is luxury, and then there are other interesting items which we have, which you can see in my catalogs and stuff. So I would like to share, at this point of time, that we are on almost a 40 and 45 temperature scale in Delhi and other cities and stuff. So I would like to share a few thoughts on tips on how to kind of slow down, because in summers, most of us want to kind of slow down and feel calm and tranquil, and we want to feel good and stuff. So you wake up in an air conditioned room, you wake up in the morning. So I see some people, they have groggy hair, they wake up with a groggy head. Some of them are totally like a live wire. Some of them are kind of slow and stuff, and when they come back at home, you've driven around, you've been in a metro, or you've been in the traffic or whatever, or you've had a long distance journey, or you've been out and you come back and you suddenly want to kind of find this retreat where you want to kind of feel fresh and rejuvenate, so how do you do that? So I'm going to take you on to video 2 to help that, okay?